Let's recover. He does. So Shehan Jayasuriya goes down. Sri Lanka has created enough damage. But Sheffield again. He gets his third wicket, but he's been a bit expensive in his last spell.
Again eyeing to play that big shot, slices it, and in the end Tamim has...
Bowler not judging the length on that occasion, Mohammad.
There's another wicket. Just went straight on.
Edward Rainsford regarding bowling! Coming down the pitch and completely...
Run in and practice their bowling before the game. And outside edge, and he's gone! Just a small one. It was a top delivery, good shape. It hit this pitch and tracked away. And if you think he was pumped up early on when he was batting, look at this. He's done it. He's tagged one back. First ball. Cleaned him up. Cleaned him up. Fantastic delivery. A little bit of injury there. Top of leg stump. On the move. Nothing short. Not trying to hit it.